In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your address from Amazon account. Whether you're decluttering your address book or simply need to update your information, I'm here to guide you through the process. To get started, open your web browser of choice. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. In the browser's address bar, type in amazon.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Amazon website. On the Amazon homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner and click it. Enter your Amazon email and password to access your account. Once you're signed in, tap on your name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, scroll down to the Your Account section. Inside your account, scroll down until you see the Your Address option and click on it to access your address book. In your address book, you'll see a list of saved addresses. Locate the one you want to delete and click on it to select it. After selecting the address, look for the Remove button below it and click on it. Amazon will ask you to confirm the deletion. Click Yes once more to confirm. Great job, you've successfully deleted an address on Amazon. Thank you for watching.